Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see how to evaluate difference between squares of two consecutive natural numbers in just 1 second. Let us take the examples 8 square minus 7 square, 19 square minus 18 square, 105 whole square minus 104 whole square, 2050 whole square with 2049 whole square. Here you observe that 8 and 7 are two consecutive natural numbers. 19, 18 also consecutive natural numbers. 105 and 104 are consecutive natural numbers. Similar way, 2050 and 2049 also consecutive natural numbers. In these cases, we write or we find the value of each and every in just 1 second. 8 square minus 7 square equals, just you observe the base of the numbers, that is 8 and 7. So that value is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Here its value is 19 plus 18, that is equal to 37. Here this value is 105 plus 104, that is equal to 209. So here 2050 plus 2049, that is equal to 4099. I hope you got it. Yeah, good. Just it is time to reveal the secret. Now see how to solve here. I consider 8 square minus 7 square. I am going to use the formula. It is the form of a square minus b square. According to formula, a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So I take a as 8 and b as 7. So that this is equal to 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 into 8 minus 7. Yes or no? That is 8 plus 7 is 15 into 8 minus 7 is 1. So that is equal to 15. Okay. Here whenever we take two consecutive natural numbers, a difference gives always ones. Hence it is a trick. 8 square minus 7 square equals 8 plus 7 equals 15. I hope you got it. Yes or no? So clearly now we take a formula for difference between squares of two consecutive natural numbers like this. Suppose if you have like this numbers, n plus 1 whole square minus n square equals n plus 1 plus n. Thank you for watching.